Many people were undivided with the fact that Umusamselegu said to Ulwandle that he is willing to borrow him money for that truck business that Ulwandle wants to do. Some people found that scene extremely like cute, like the father-son type of vibes. I didn't honestly know what to think about it, you guys, because I don't really know what was happening in that scene. I didn't get it, you guys. I'm not sure why Musa Msilik would take Ulwandle to a place like that. Maybe he was testing him out because he knows ukuthi Ulwandle is good with cars. I'm like, if you're good with cars, then why would you take him to go and test whether he's good at those skills or what? I am not so sure what was the purpose of that scene. Maybe you guys can explain it for me in the comment section down below. But one day in that scene does tell his father, Umusam Selegu, that he actually wants to go and start like a truck business, you know? And his father asks him something like, do you have the money for it? And basically, Luantle says, actually, I thought that you were going to help me with that. And then Musam Selegu responds by saying, Kushuguti, you are going to borrow, or we are going to borrow you because we're going to take that money from the family money and we are going to loan you that money, meaning that you are then going to be held accountable to pay back that money. Now, listen, you guys, I didn't have any problem with Musam Selegu saying that. You know, I actually appreciate a parent who's not going to just hand everything into their children's hands. Nje kanjalo. I think what he's doing with Ulwandle is teaching him responsibility. That I think when money is loaned to you or when you know that you need to pay back that money, you work extra hard because you know that it was not just a gift. Unlike something that is just given to you and you don't really know the sweat that comes with paying back that money. So I think I appreciate and I get to the lesson that Musa like is putting into like that whole thing. Because I mean, guys, when it comes to the truck business, it's not small money. Musa was explaining to Ulwandle that like how that business works, you know, how you can either really make a lot of money or either like really lose like a lot of money, you know. So I appreciate that, but there were some people, you guys, that did not appreciate that, and they were saying, how come Umusa is willing to borrow Ulwandle the money, but when it came to Usmindi, aka Umpumelelo, he gave him money for his plumbing business. Remember, guys, there was a time where Umpumelelo was saying he's starting like some sort of plumbing. I don't know if it was a plumbing business or was it but it had something to do with water, you guys. Something like that, like a water business, something like that. And people are saying Wutu Musa did not say that to Umpumelelo that he's willing to borrow Umpumelelo that money. You know, I know that Umpumelelo right now has a security business. I don't know what happened to the water business, if it's still running or whatnot. We really don't truly know if Umpumelelo was given that money as a gift from a father to son, or either he was also loaned that money, but we don't recall, at least I don't recall a time where Umusa said to Mpumelelo that he's borrowing him or he's willing to loan him the money from the family business for Mpumelelo to start that water business or whatever that business plan that he had that he was pitching to his father. So people were not happy about that. They were not happy about that, you guys. And it just made me think of Umatlele when Matlele was saying basically she was not happy with how Ulwandle runs up and down for all the rest of the other wives. She felt like Ulwandle does like a lot of things and they kind of like use him and they never ever say thank you to him. So even when Musa was proposing to Umatlele, his wife, that Ulwandle must be like he needed to fill in for the other houses. I think it was for Uma Kumalo's house and Umangwade. I'm not so sure, but I know for Uma Kumalo's house, Umatlele was not happy about it because she was like, bengafuni ngengane yakho, she just didn't want to with her son because she felt like her son does more than enough and is not appreciated enough. So now I'm kind of thinking about those vibes of like Nsa, like, you know, But then again, sometimes, guys, as parents, you're able to see your children, right? So there's some children that you know that when you give them like 50 rands, you know very well they're going to put it to good use. And then there's some children you know when you give them 50 rands, they're going to pupusha that 50 rand, they're going to just waste it. But either or, I think even though you know your children, the one child might not be capable of saving that money or spending it well, I think it's still important for you to treat them equally and give them the same amount. Maybe teach the other one skills, but don't then give the other one less, because the other one who's getting given less is going to feel as if they're not appreciated or not loved as the next brother or the next sibling. So guys, tell me what you think. Do you really think there's anything deep in that? I don't think Musamsele would intentionally treat his sons unfairly. At least not on a public platform. I don't think he would do that. So I don't think those are the intentions. Maybe in the private places he did actually loan Umpumelelo that money, angazi, but I don't know, you guys. There's something about the Msilegu kids that seems to be like a trend now, where they're like, oh, we're eating our father's money. And at first, when it started, it was cute and it was funny. It was cute and it was funny. Where it was like, oh, we're eating our father's money. But now I'm just like, yeah, it's not looking cute anymore. And it just makes me think that, guys, do you know how many you guys are? I'm not saying Umselewe doesn't have money, but I'm just like, do you know ukuthi nibaningi kanjani? To have the mentality that your father has a lot of money and you know the family is so big. If I was any of them, I would take advantage of the opportunity, advance, go to school. If you feel like school is not for you or you're not that good when it comes to books, like try and venture out into different businesses. Like don't be a snare where you bubula your father's money for stuff isn't ngaphandlile. So at least Ulwandle, he's asking for money for a business. I would rather a person fail or waste money at business opportunities. That is better than a person who's just going to take that money and go and drink and just go and look nice in the name of their father has money. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think. Do you think Uguti there's anything in what people are saying regarding Musa treating Umpumelelo like better than Uluanhle, or do you think some people are just reaching? Anyway, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do make sure that you subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.